Yesterday, you learned about your family. And today, we will learn another lesson and another craft. And you need to look at the screen and listen to Teacher Jen. Today, we will learn about the parts of my face and the parts of the body. Next one, the first one is, where is your hair? This is the hair, the eyes, the nose, the ears, mouth, and our face. This is the part of our face. Okay, can you point to where is your mouth? Is this the mouth? Yes, mouth, ears, the two ears, the eyes, the two eyes, the hand, and the nose. Can you point your mouth, your ears, your eyes, hand, and nose? Wow, very good. That is your part of your face and the part of your body. Next one, this is the part of my face. The part of the face is the first one is the, what's this? It's the eyes. This is the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. Again, this is the part of the face. The eyes, the nose, and the mouth, and also the ears. This is the part of your face, and that is the part of our face, the eyes, nose, and mouth. How about for the girls? This is for the girls. The girls also has a eyes, two eyes, the nose used to smell, and the mouth. This is the part of our face. Very good. And next one. This is my face. How about let's color this face for the boys? Okay, I will color the first one is the hair. The color of the hair is color black, right? This is the hair color. Remember, when you are coloring, you need to color the inside only. Up and down, up and down. This is the hair. And how about let's color all the faces using the color brown. I will use the color brown for the eyes. This is the face. And you can color it on your worksheet properly, okay? This is my face. This is my face. The eyes, the ears, and the mouth. This is my face. Next one, this is for the girls. This is my face. Let's color the face using the color brown. Color, up and down, up and down, up and down. Color properly. You need to color properly on your worksheet also, okay? The ears. And how about the hair? What is the color of the hair again? It's the color black. Teacher will find the color black. This is for the hair. This is the part of my face. The color black hair. The eyes, the nose, and the mouth, and also the ear. The ears used to listen to Teacher Jen. This is my face. Next one, it's the part of the body. The first is the head, the leg, the hand, the tummy, the toe, and the arm. This is the part of your body for the boys. And how about let's go for the girls? This is the girls. The head or the face, the knee, the hand, the toe, the body, and also the arm. This is the part of the body. And it's time for you to get your worksheet because it's work time and you need to work it properly. Okay, and the next one, this is another parts of the face. The first is the, what's this? What did you call this one? It's a hair. This is a hair. A hair. Next one, what did you call this one? It's an eyebrow. The eyebrow also part of the face. Eyebrow. Next one is the, what did you call this one? It's an ears. The ears. And how about this one? The eyes. Very good. That is the eyes. The eye. How about this one? The mouth. Very good. That is the part of the face. The mouth. And the next one, the last one, this one. This is the nose. This is the part of the face. The eyebrow, the eyes, the ear, the hair, mouth, and the nose. Next one. How about let's match? Can you help, teacher? The eyes. Where is the eyes? Is this the eyes? Yes or no? No. How about this one? Is this the eyes? Yes. How about the nose? Is this the nose? No. What's this? A mouth. How about this one? Is this the nose? Yes, this is the nose. The mouth. Good job. And used to listen or hear. It's a ears. Very good. The eyes, nose, mouth, and ears. Very good. Next one. This is the part of the body. The first is the eye, the hair, the arm. This one is the arm, the mouth, the ear, the nose, the teeth, the neck, the knee, the hand, the leg, and the foot. That is the part of our body. And we're done with our lesson for today. And before we end our class, how about Teacher Jen will ask you a question. Can you point your eyes? This is your eyes. How about the nose? The nose, the mouth, very good, the hair, and also the ears. That is the part of our face. This one is the arm. Good job. And teacher will give you a clap and a thumbs up. And don't forget to make your worksheet and you need to work it properly, okay? And then after you work, you need to show it to teacher, okay? Bye-bye everyone. See you on Monday.